In our last video lecture, we have discussed about the type of scaffolding. So there are 7 types of scaffolding. First, a single scaffolding. Second, double scaffolding. Third, ladder scaffolding. Fourth, cantilever or needle scaffolding. Fifth, suspended scaffolding. Sixth, teased scaffolding. And seventh, that is the steel scaffolding. So the single scaffolding, it is the type of the scaffolding in which the one layer of standards, those are put on or driven into the ground at a distance of about 1.5 to 2 meters apart and about 1.2 meter away from the wall to be constructed. म्हणजे सिंगल स्कॅफोल्डिंग मध्ये काय केलं जातं तर ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण एक सिंगल स्टँडर्ड्स उभे करतो एकाच साईडला. सो ते स्टँडर्ड्स भिंतीपासून 1.2 मीटर डिस्टन्स वरती असतात आणि ते ग्राउंड मध्ये इन्सर्ट केलेले असतात और ग्राउंड मध्ये ड्रिवन केलेले असतात. The putlogs are placed with one end on the ladders and the other end in the hole left in the wall at an interval of 1.2 to 1.5 meter. The guard boardings and the other members are placed as shown in the figure. So we will see the figure into the next slide. The single scaffolding is cheap and is most commonly used into the brickwork. So this type of the scaffolding, a single line of vertical standards are used which are placed at an interval of 2 to 2.5 meters apart. So what it says, so in this figure you can see these are the standards. So this vertical member, this is known as a standard. This is one another vertical member which is placed at a distance of 2 to 2.25 meters away from each other. So the distance between these two standards, it is maintained up to 2 to 2.5 meters and these standards are driven into the ground. So why this scaffolding, it is known as a single scaffolding, as we are providing a single row of standards. म्हणजे आपण काय करतोय बघा या फिगर मध्ये फक्त सिंगल रो ऑफ स्टँडर्ड्स तुम्हाला दिसतात. ओके, सो इट इज नोन ॲज अ सिंगल स्कॅफोल्डिंग. यात काय केलं जातं तर ज्या वर्किंग स्पेस आहे त्या वर्किंग स्पेस पासून अबाउट 1 to 1.5 मीटर्स साईडला आपण स्टँडर्ड्स उभे करतो. या स्टँडर्ड्स वरती आपण पुटलॉग्स सेट करतो. पुटलॉग्स म्हणजे काय तर ते वॉल मध्ये इन्सर्टेड असतात आणि त्याचा थोडा पोर्शन बाहेर असतो. सो हे पुटलॉग्स आपण गडबोर्ड वरती सेट करतो आणि मग प्रेसेस आणि त्याचे जे काही वर्किंग प्लॅटफॉर्म्स आहेत किंवा लेजर्स आपण ज्याला म्हणतो ते प्लेस करून आपण काय करतो त्या ठिकाणी वर्किंग प्लॅटफॉर्म्स क्रिएट करतो ज्याला की आपण काय म्हणतो स्कॅफोल्डिंग. सो दिस इज द सिंगल स्कॅफोल्डिंग. Now we will see the double or mason's scaffolding. So the framework is similar to the single scaffolding except the two rows of standards are used, one row close to the wall within 15 centimeter of the wall faces and the other is at 1.2 to 1.5 meter away from the face of the wall. सो डबल स्कॅफोल्डिंग किंवा मेसन स्कॅफोल्डिंग म्हणजे काय तर यात काय केलं जातं जसं आपण सिंगल स्कॅफोल्डिंग मध्ये सिंगल रो ऑफ स्टँडर्ड्स यूज करतो तर याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करतो डबल रो ऑफ स्टँडर्ड्स यूज करतो. पहिला जो रो आहे तो पहिला रो कुठं असतो तर वॉल फेस पासून 15 सेंटीमीटर एवढ्या डिस्टन्स मध्ये आणि दुसरा जो रो असतो तो 1.2 to 1.5 meter away from the face of the wall असतो. The putlogs are supported at both the ends on the ledgers, rankers and the cross braces are provided to make the scaffolding more strong and stable. It is generally used while constructing a stone masonry as it is very difficult to provide the holes in the walls to support the put logs. Such a scaffolding is also called as independent scaffolding. So this double scaffolding or the mason's scaffolding, it is generally used into the case of a stone masonry, because in the stone masonry it is very difficult to provide the holes and insert the put logs into the hole. So in that case we are using the double or the mason's scaffolding. So as this is the independent scaffolding, means what? It is not supported onto the wall. So because of that it is known as a independent scaffolding also. Now we will see the figure. So this is the figure of double scaffolding, in which you can see the wall over here. From this wall up to the distance of 15 centimeter we are having the standards, and then from this face of the wall up to 1.2 to 1.5 meters we are having a second row of standards. So these are the two rows of standards. Okay. On these two rows we are having the put logs placed, and these put logs are rested on the ledges. So, and this is the working platform placed over the put logs. Okay. So what is the difference between single and double scaffolding? सिंगल स्कॅफोल्डिंग मध्ये आपण काय करतो? फक्त सिंगल रो ऑफ स्टँडर्ड्स उभा करतो. डबल स्कॅफोल्डिंग मध्ये आपण काय करतो? डबल रो ऑफ द स्कॅफोल्डिंग और स्टँडर्ड्स उभा करतो. सिंगल रो मध्ये आपले जे पुटलॉग्स आहेत त्या पुटलॉग्सचा एक जो हा पार्ट आहे इकडचा हा पार्ट काय असतो? वॉल मध्ये इन्सर्टेड असतो. इथं काय होतं डबल स्कॅफोल्डिंग मध्ये? हे दोन्ही पार्ट जे आहेत ते पुटलॉग्सचे आपण लेजर्स वरती सपोर्ट करतो दोन्ही स्टँडर्ड्स ना कनेक्ट करून. ओके. So this is the difference between double and single scaffolding. Okay. So we have seen the two types, that is the single scaffolding and second that is the double scaffolding. Okay. Now we will move further. Next, that is the third type of the scaffolding. So it is a ladder scaffolding or the patterned scaffolding. So the ladder scaffolding, this type of the scaffolding, it is a modification over a double scaffolding and can be easily assembled. Many ladder scaffoldings made of steel are available into the market. These scaffoldings are equipped with special couplings, frames, etc. In this type, the working platform are suspended on the brackets which can be adjusted to any suitable heights. So the ladder scaffolding, so these are the some modifications which are made into the double scaffolding. The ladder scaffoldings, these are generally made into the steel or some metal material available into the market. So these are the scaffoldings, these are the special couplings or the frames which are connected to each other with some nut bolts and etc. So in this type of the working platform, these are supported on the brackets which can be adjusted to any suitable heights. So these are the ladder scaffolding, in which we are providing the ladders so that the working platform can be easily available for the workers. So this is the ladder scaffolding. Now the next, that is the cantilever scaffolding or needle scaffolding. So in this type of the scaffolding is provided under following conditions. Single scaffolding as well as double scaffolding rest at the ground level. Such scaffoldings may obstruct the traffic on the busy streets. निडल किंवा कॅन्टिलिव्हर स्कॅफोल्डिंग हे कुठं वापरलं जातं? तर ज्या केसमध्ये फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर आपण सिंगल स्कॅफोल्डिंग आणि डबल स्कॅफोल्डिंग यूज करणार असू तर त्या केसमध्ये काय होतं, ज्यावेळी आपण सिंगल आणि डबल स्कॅफोल्डिंग प्रोव्हाइड करतो त्यावेळी इट मे ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट द ट्रॅफिक विच इज अवेलेबल ऑन द street. So for this purpose we are using the cantilever scaffolding. Second, if the repairs are to be carried out only in few floors at higher elevations in the tall buildings, then it is uneconomical to provide scaffolding from the ground floor. So means what? If suppose high rising buildings are there, in that high rising buildings the maintenance work is or repair work is going on, and that is for some floors at higher elevations. So in that case it is difficult and also it is uneconomical to provide the scaffoldings from the ground floor. So we are providing the cantilever scaffoldings. Next, if the ground is weak to support the standards, म्हणजे जे काही ग्राउंड आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण स्टँडर्ड्स इन्सर्ट करणार आहे, if that ground is weak to support the standards, in that case we are providing the cantilever scaffolding or the needle scaffoldings. So this is the type of the cantilever scaffolding or needle scaffolding. याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलात तर हे जे काही स्कॅफोल्डिंग आहे हे ग्राउंडला कुठेही सपोर्टेड नाहीये. सो दिस इज नोन ॲज अ कॅन्टिलिव्हर, म्हणजे जे ग्राउंडवर सपोर्ट नसतं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, कॅन्टिलिव्हर. सो दिस इज द कॅन्टिलिव्हर स्कॅफोल्डिंग विच इज नॉट सपोर्टेड इन टू द ग्राउंड. कॅन्टिलिव्हर स्कॅफोल्डिंग आपण कुठं वापरतो? पहिली केस ज्या ठिकाणी सिंगल आणि डबल स्कॅफोल्डिंग वापरलं तर काय होतं, जे स्ट्रीट आहे त्याच्यावर तर ट्रॅफिक काय होतं, इफेक्ट होतो ट्रॅफिक वरती. सो त्या केसमध्ये आपण कॅन्टिलिव्हर स्कॅफोल्डिंग यूज करतो. आणि सेकंड केस काय आहे, तर एखाद्या हाय रायझिंग बिल्डिंग मध्ये जर आपण टॉप लेवलचे किंवा हायर इलेव्हेशनचे जे कंपोनेंट्स आहेत त्याचं रिपेअर किंवा मेंटेनन्स असेल तर त्या केसमध्ये आपल्याला ग्राउंड लेवल पासून स्कॅफोल्डिंग प्रोव्हाइड करणं हे अनइकॉनॉमिकल असतं आणि त्यामुळे आपण काय करतो, कॅन्टिलिव्हर स्कॅफोल्डिंग तिथं आपण प्रोव्हाइड करतो. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट that is the suspended scaffolding. So this suspended scaffolding, this is a lightweight scaffolding used for repair works such as pointing, washing and painting etc. In this type of the scaffolding, the working platform is suspended from roof by means of the ropes or the chains. The arrangements are made to rise and lower the platform so that the work can be carried out at desired level. In this type of the scaffolding, the standards are not required to be erected. So the suspended scaffolding means what? So this is the lightweight scaffolding which is suspended from the top of the building or the structure. So this suspended scaffolding, in this the working platform is suspended from the roof by means of the rope or the chains. In this scaffolding, the arrangements are made to rise and lower the platform so that the work can be carried out easily at a desired level. And this type of scaffoldings are not having the standards. Okay, so these are the suspended scaffolding. आता suspended scaffolding कुठं वापरतात? आपलं जे पेंटिंग आहे, वॉशिंग आहे किंवा प्लास्टरिंग आहे तर त्या केसमध्ये आपण सस्पेंडेड स्कॅफोल्डिंग वापरतो. आता या इमेज मध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलात तर दिस इज वन टाइप ऑफ द सस्पेंडेड scaffolding which is attached to these ropes at the roof, and the height of these roofs, these can be adjusted with the help of the rising and lowering arrangement which is provided into the platform. Okay, so this is the type of the scaffolding, that is the suspended scaffolding. Now the next, that is the tree-stalled scaffolding. So in this type of the scaffolding, the working platform is supported on the top of the movable contrivances such as ladder, tripod stand etc. mounted on the wheels. तर ट्विस्टर स्कॅफोल्डिंग म्हणजे काय, तर ह्या केसमध्ये काय होतं, जे काही आपले वर्किंग प्लॅटफॉर्म्स आहेत ते एका मुव्हेबल सपोर्ट वरती रेस्ट असतात. म्हणजे ते आपण एका प्लेसवरनं दुसऱ्या प्लेसमध्ये विथ द हेल्प ऑफ व्हील्स त्याला आपण फिरवू शकतो. तर त्या टाईपचे जे स्कॅफोल्डिंग आहेत त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, ट्विस्टेड स्कॅफोल्डिंग. Such type of scaffolding is generally used for the painting and repair work inside the room. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी हाईट ऑफ द वर्क कमी असते, रिपेअर आणि मेंटेनन्स किंवा कलरिंग वर्क असेल इनसाइड द रूम, त्या केसमध्ये आपण ह्या टाईपचे स्कॅफोल्डिंग काय करतो, यूज करतो. आता ह्या इमेजमध्ये सो दीज आर द सपोर्ट्स ऑन विच these वर्किंग प्लॅटफॉर्म्स आर प्लेस्ड. मग हे जे सपोर्ट्स आहेत त्याला इथं बॉटमला काय असतात, व्हील्स असतात. सो दॅट these सपोर्ट्स कॅन बी ऍडजस्टेड ॲट एनी सिच्युएशन. आणि याची हाईट लिमिटेड असल्यामुळे आपण इनसाइड द रूम पेंटिंग वगैरे करण्यासाठी हे यूज करतो. And the last type of the scaffolding, that is the steel scaffolding. So the steel scaffolding is practically similar to the timber scaffolding except that the wooden members are replaced by the steel tubes and the ropes lashings are replaced by the steel fittings. म्हणजे स्टील स्कॅफोल्डिंग इट इज सिमिलर टू द टिंबर स्कॅफोल्डिंग. फक्त काय असतं, टिंबरच्या जागेला आपण काय करतो, स्टीलचा यूज करतो. The steel scaffoldings are following advantages, are having following advantages. These are the simple to erect as only few fasteners to be dealt with it. म्हणजे हे काही जे आपले पार्ट्स आहेत वेगवेगळे स्टीलचे ते इझिली आपण एकमेकांमध्ये फास्टनर्स वापरून बसवू शकतो. सो इट इज अ व्हेरी सिम्पल टू इरेक्ट. So it has a greater strength, greater durability and higher fire resistance. As compared to the wooden scaffolding, the steel scaffolding, it is having a greater strength, greater durability and higher fire resistance as it is made up of a steel. And last one, the scaffoldings can be used for framework as well, hence it is versatility increases. सो हे जे काही स्कॅफोल्डिंग आहे ते स्कॅफोल्डिंग आपण इझिली इरेक्ट करू शकतो. त्याची ड्युरेबिलिटी जास्त आहे, हायर फायर रेजिस्टन्स आहे. सो स्टील स्कॅफोल्डिंगचं आत्ताचं जे काही यूज आहे ते यूज त्याची वर्सॅटिलिटी बघता वाढत आहे. सो द स्टील स्कॅफोल्डिंग आणि टिंबर स्कॅफोल्डिंग दीज आर नथिंग बट सेम. ओके, सो up till today's lecture we have discussed about the type of the scaffolding. Okay, single scaffolding, double scaffolding, then ladder scaffolding, then cantilever scaffolding, and then the cantilever scaffolding. After that we have seen the suspended scaffolding, then twisted scaffolding, and last one that is the steel scaffolding. Okay, so these are the 7 types of scaffoldings which are used into the construction work for the different purposes. Okay, so today we will stop over here. Thank you.